Did you find a red ball? You gonna make that jump? Good jump, buddy! Wow, you're out of hands. Okay, you want to put that ball there for now? Okay, we'll put the red one there instead. You'll hold on to the green one. Oh. Whoa. Taylor, can you say, oh? Oh. That was a good jump. Now what are you going to do with the two balls? You still have more toys to go get. You want to put them back there? Okay, they'll be safe right there. What about your red ring? Should you go get your red ring? Baby! Oh, hanging on the end table will be better. Taylor, where's Mickey? Where's Mickey? There's Mickey. Oh, don't put Mickey on the ground.